Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you on how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, click on the three vertical lines located at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select the Settings gear icon. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy page. On this page, find and click on the Meta Account Center option, which will lead you to the Meta Account Center page. Once there, click on Personal Details, and you'll see an option labeled Account Ownership and Control. Select this option, and you'll be presented with two choices: memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Choose deactivation or deletion, then select your Facebook account. Next, you'll see two more options. Choose the first one, Deactivate Account, which is temporary. It explains that your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. However, you'll still be able to use Messenger. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to re-enter your Facebook password. After entering it, click Continue. You'll then be asked to provide a reason for deactivating your account. Choose any reason and click Continue again. At this point, you can select an automatic reactivation time or choose Don't reactivate automatically if you don't want the account to reactivate on its own. For example, you can set it to reactivate after 7 days. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking Deactivate my account. Wait for the process to complete, and you'll see that your account has been successfully deactivated. You'll be logged out of Facebook, and the deactivation will take effect. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.